Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short demo, I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating a node type inside of Altru in order for us to be able to log operations that happen for a particular constituent record. Now, this is super handy because this gives you the history of all the operations taken on your behalf for that particular record. So whenever your data gets synced, you will be able to see what operations took place, what information was updated, and what information was moved over. So this is super handy for you to be able to see all the operations happening on that particular constituent record. In order for you to be able to create this node type, you just simply have to head over to administration. All right, so we're gonna head over into code tables here. We're gonna go ahead and click on this little filters drop down here, and this will open up a little drop down we can click on. And then here, we're gonna go over to biographical and click apply. And this is going to pull up a bunch of biographical types we can set up. So the one we're interested in here is called this constituent node type. You want to go ahead and click on the middle column here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on add. And then here's where we can go ahead and give it a name. So this is just going to be the node type for all the sync operations. So I'm going to go ahead and just call it sync operations. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it with SGS so we know what this is actually doing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And that goes ahead and creates the node type for that particular constituent. So at this point, we can go ahead and add this sync operations SGS node type into the particular constituent record every time a data sync is happening. So that way we can easily query for it, we can easily check the operations that took place, and if in the case you want to restore your data, that node type will contain all of the original information. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to creating this node type inside of Altru. So again, you can find that under administrations, code tables, biographical, and then under constituent node type. And then you're able to add it here. Now, you don't have to use this particular name here. However, we do recommend it because it explains what exactly it is doing. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.